Hi guys, my name is Gautam Kumar and I'm your host and host for this video. I will be sharing that how you can be able to become a professional hacker. Right now we are having exact two ways to become a hacker, and the first one is that you are learning from structured way, and the second way you are having that you are learning from the unstructured way. So what is the unstructured way? Let's talk about that. So when I started my journey, when I started learning hacking, at that point of time, I was not having that much of the resources. So because on the 1 GB, I have to spend my entire month. I was not having the unlimited GB as you guys are having. So that time the option was that you can be able to Google. Use Google to find out the resources. Second option you are having is that you can be able to go through any kind of the maybe the YouTube videos, or maybe you can be able to go through the blogs written by the people. So these are the some of the unstructured way where what exactly happened with you. You just become a monkey and basically you jump from here and there. You jump here, after that from there you jump here. That's what exactly you do. So when you learn something by the unstructured way, basically you're jumping from here and there. You are jumping from the Google, one link to another link, another one video to another video, one blog to another blog. And at the end of the day, what you are getting? I think you are getting one thing which is nothing you are getting. Because the reason is why, whenever you want to learn something, the learning curve should be like this. It should be like this. This is basically the topic. This is the way basically you should learn anything. But what exactly you are doing here? You are learning just 1% of the topic, and on the Google or maybe inside the blog you find out another link. So you learn the 1%, after that you jump from another link and you learn some else topic, something else by 1%. And at the end of the day, you are never learning anything out of it. That's what exactly you are doing inside this unstructured learning. So what is the why you should not follow this way? You're already having the answer that you invest your years, you invest your lot of time, and at the end of the day, you are not having the mastery over any of the single topic. This is the thing. So I think that this way is completely wrong way. This way is for those people who maybe you're gonna live, if you're gonna live 1000 years, if you're having the unlimited time to live on this earth, then you can be able to go with this way. Because you don't care about your time, energy, resources, and anything. You just only care about that how you can be able to waste your time and you can chill your life. But I think you are as a human being, it's not for you. Because it's gonna take you a lot of years, lot of struggle, lot of time, lot of resources to master any XYZ topic. And the second one is that standard, structured learning. So what is this structured learning? Either you are learning from the books, maybe you got those books by your professors, or maybe some XYZ hackers like me written these kind of the books. The second way you are having is that you are learning from any kind of the courses, any kind of the online courses. Okay, these are the two ways I can be able to say. And the third way is that it's mentorship programming. Mentorship program. So these three way are the basic way which you can be able to master any topic in your whatever topic you want to learn. So if you talk about the books, then you already know that cyber security and ethical hacking is pretty, it's pretty technical subject. So instead of like they'll show you, hey, you have to type down this command, that command, and all kind of things which you unable to do, you are able to do the practical inside your computer system. So for 99% of the people, this way doesn't work. Already told you the reason, because you're gonna see some commands, you're gonna see some methods, and over the time, whenever you're gonna see the interface of that tool or maybe the technique, this is not going to work, because every single day the things are getting updated, every single day the things are changing up. So these books, hardly maybe for 1 year you can be able to see this book is gonna work perfectly. But after that, the tools, techniques, and everything, whatever things are shown, it's not gonna work anymore. Still, you can, just to increase your knowledge inside any of the topic, you can be able to consider the book if you really want to get into deep down, or you really want to do some research. So you can be able to get the years of somebody experience within only pennies, within only 2-3 months you can be able to master that knowledge. The second thing we are having, the option we are having, is the online courses. This is basically thing I suggest to the people, because from online courses you are learning things. So maybe if you are going on any of the, a lot of universities are having the program, you are going with these programs, you are learning cyber security, you are learning things, and having the mastery over everything. Okay, it's perfectly fine, but still I don't recommend it, because you can go to find out the tons of the programs on the internet. These are widely available inside any of whatever you want to learn. You can be able to find out the online programs anywhere, but these online courses sometimes doesn't work. So this is the last option we are remaining with, is the mentorship program. And I think this is the one of the best thing you can be able to find out ever on the internet, where you can be able to take this programming mentorship program with somebody. You can be able to inside the inner circle of somebody, and you can be able to learn something. So what the benefit basically you got inside the mentorship program? When you opt in for the online courses, maybe if you are facing any kind of the issue, there will be nobody to guide you. There will be no community to support you. There will be no community of the like-minded people. But if you join that mentorship program, or you can be able to call that inner circle. When you join that mentorship program and the inner circle, what's going to happen? There will be the people who are already learning the same thing. You can be able to find out the peers, you can be able to find out your seniors, you can be able to find out your like-minded people, you can be able to find your tribe, you can be able to find out the people who already walk on that path. That's what exactly the benefit you got inside this mentorship program. So why it's the best? Because right now you are only having the skill. Here basically you are only having the skill. I will show you that what mentorship program you can be able to offer. It can offer you the inner circle, where there's a lot of like-minded people are over there. Second thing, it can be able to offer you for the lifetime support. Lifetime support you can be able to get. So for any in your life, if you face any kind of the issues, problems, you can be able to discuss with your peers, you can be able to discuss with them, because they already gone through that path and they already faced this struggle, they already faced the problem. So those people, they are having the solutions. So of course, like as you can be able to get the solution of your problems. The third thing is that you can be able to get the enhanced support from the mentor. You can be able to directly talk with your mentor. What is the best part of the mentor? Talk anybody, any sportsman, any president, anybody. Take any highly skilled player. Take any high achieving people. Everybody having the mentors, because those mentors, they guide them, they push them forward, they push their boundaries, they help out those people to break through. All these kind of things happen just of the one thing, just of the mentor. So if you are having the real guru in your life, if you are having the real mentor of something in your life, he can be able to help you achieve, which maybe it's going to take you the 10 years to achieve, which if you are having the mentor, he can be able to break down and break through those 10 years into just a single year. So within a year, basically, you can be able to achieve all those kind of things which you will be achieving in the 10 years. This is the power of the mentor. So when you are having the mentor, he can be able to guide you, he can hold your hand, he will support you. And overall, like if you already know this skill, he can be able to guide you that how you can be able to negotiate with the company, how you can be able to upskill yourself, how you can be able to ask for the better salaries, how you can be able to, grow inside your career. After becoming an analyst, how you can be able to go top down that, how you can be able to achieve the next milestone. Every single thing that mentor can be able to help you, to guide you. So all these type of the programs, these things never gonna work. It will be the waste of time. Honestly, I invested my lot of energy, resources, time, energy, and I don't suggest it anymore. Unstructured learning, I never suggest it. Second thing, I go with the structured learning, but inside this structured learning, I'm not with those things. I'm with this mentorship program. So if you want to learn any kind of the things inside your career, go with this mentorship program. Go with the inner circle. Go with that mentor who can be able to guide you, who can be able to support you. So that's it from my side, just to guide you, just to help you up, so you can be able to become hacker. You can be able to make your dream come true. My name is Gautam Kumawat, and just to help you guys, I'm conducting a free online hacking workshop in which I will be sharing the three secret formula. Using that formula, anybody in this world can be able to become hacker without having any kind of degree and without having any kind of certification. And the best part is that you don't have to invest your 10 years, 12 years, 5 years, 6 years to become the master of the things. If you really want to become the master of the hacking, within only 2 months, within only 60 days, you can be able to learn the things which is equal to the master degree inside the cybersecurity. So if you really want to opt in inside this program, and the best part is that it's the mentorship program. Online courses you can be able to get from anywhere. Books you can be able to get from anywhere. YouTube video you can be able to get from anywhere. But the mentorship I called, the mentor, you can't be able to get. Because your mentor is valuable. Take example that you are having Elon Musk as your mentor. What the things you can be able to achieve in your life. Right now you are not having the mentor. If you are having Trump as your mentor, if you are having Narendra Modi as your mentor, see the things you can be able to achieve. You don't have to be the dumb. When you're having this smart mentor, they'll make you more smarter. So you can be able to achieve a lot of things in your life, and you can be able to live your desired life. My name is Gautam Kumawat, and I'm signing off. And if you're still interested inside this program, I'm just putting down the link inside the description. Go to this description and don't forget to attend this online hacking workshop. It's free for the 90 minutes and it can change your life forever. Thank you so much.